Hello everyone, welcome to the X Dimension. Today we are going to learn some quick multiplication tricks. So let's get started. Suppose here we have a question to multiply, that is 67 into 47. So look at the question. Here if you observe that the digits in the ones place are same, that is 7, and the digits in the tens place sum up to 10, that is 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. In this kind of situations, you can directly multiply the numbers. For example, 7 into 7 is 49, and 6 into 4 is 24, plus 7 is 31. Here, I added 7 to 24 because we have to add the number that is repeated. So, if you multiply 67 and 47, the answer you will get will be 3149, that is 3149. You can check the answer using a calculator or by multiplying by your method. This method can also be applied in a situation where the digits in the ones place sum up to 10 and the digits in the tens place are same. Here 6 into 4 is 24. 7 into 7 is 49, and we'll add 7 again because that is repeated. So 49 plus 7 is 56. So the answer you get after multiplying 76 and 74 is 5624, that is 5624. I hope you liked this video and understood the concept that I taught. Subscribe and I will meet you in the next session where we will be tackling more complex problems with even simpler approaches. Let us learn smarter, solve faster, and think sharper. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Thank you.